Us back with that episode 3 of that $1,200 stimulus challenge. Let's begin. Monster this week, guys. Fucking monstrous. The account is up over 100% from our starting value of $1,200. I mean, this thing just got vertical. Just absolutely vertical. We made money on Boeing and Apple, and I'll break those down. And we took a small loss on Wynn Resorts. The strikes were just too high. Didn't feel like rolling it, and I needed the capital. But I saw other opportunities. But what we're going to do now is we're going to play with the house's money. Because this is, being up over 100%. Because we started at 1,200, so now we're at 2,600. So being up over 100% in 2 weeks is just a monstrous move. They're still rookie numbers, and we're going to need to pump these numbers up, and we are. But we're going to go ahead and start playing with the house's money. So I'm going to take $1,400. So I'm going to take $1,483.70 off the table, put it in my checking account, and go ahead and transfer that to my Roth IRA. Maybe I'll buy some more Wynn Resort or something. I don't know. But we're definitely going to start playing with the house's money, and we're going to just do it again. Okay, let's start breaking down these trades, guys. We made money on Apple and Boeing right here. Apple and Boeing. There's some other screenshots I have. Some of them I just forgot to screenshot. And one day I thought I screenshotted it and I didn't. But it was specifically Apple and Boeing we took profits on. Apple right here on Tuesday. I saw it dip to 219. Took a position on put credit spread 219 to 20. Put my strikes there. Expiration literally this Friday. Again, I really recommend at least 21 day DTE. But it was just trading so low at the bottom of the range that I just didn't think this was going to happen again. We're seeing boom, 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 boom. So I was like, yeah, this is probably a bottom. And I took a risk. We went 219, 220. So as long as it was above 119, 120. As long as it was above $120 by Friday, I would profit. Is what I was thinking here. In the morning, I let it bleed. Waited for the MACD to start to turn around, and went ahead and got in. And we saw what the Nasdaq did Thursday and Friday, got absolutely vertical, which was great. Bond yields, the 10-year fell pretty substantially, and we took advantage of that and got us some tech positions. I still think the reopening trade is alive and well, but that's what we did. Boeing, we took our Boeing position last week, on the week before on Friday. We took 2 positions on Boeing. We saw Boeing, it was here. This was that Friday, and this is Thursday. The market closed. There's no trading this Friday. So we saw it do this, 243. I saw this as a support, around this area. So I took 2 positions, 242.50, 245, and then I took a 240 and a 242.50 expiring Friday. And then, we saw what Boeing did, and we took profits. We didn't let it expire. We just simply took profits as fast as we possibly could around here. Saw it dip. I saw it, make moves above 255, and we were just heavily, profitable at that point. So we just took our money, guys, which was pretty good. Not bad, guys. Not bad. All right. So what we did was with the remaining $1,200, we took a position in JP Morgan Chase. Right here is where we took it. We saw it dip to 150 on Thursday, 151, 150, and we got in. 152, 155 strikes, 152.50, 155 strikes. I believe, we saw a rebound in the 10-year, and that's going to benefit banks. And banks have earnings the following week, so I put our expiration to next Friday. Let's see if JP Morgan can continue to rise. I think it can. I think the 10-year is going to be a little bullish. I think in anticipation of earnings, we'll start to see this rise. They're going to benefit from that. If it starts to make its way up to 257, we'll start to take profits there. We also got some Boeing for next week as well with our $1,200. And then we'll see if we can take some positions next week as well. All right, guys. Make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you have not. We have a Discord server, guys. Real great group. Go ahead and click the Discord link below to join the group. It's $15 a month. Where I enter, where I exit. The entire strategy, a lot of videos, a lot of cool people. We'll look at your option portfolio specifically and help you manage risk. We'll teach you risk management skills, so that you can grow this account. Go ahead and click that link and you get a 7-day free trial. So in the first 7 days, again, we're at 50% in a week. So I mean, our options account, and in 100% in 2. So in the first 7 days, you should definitely be able to make $15 to make that membership fee. So that means that's easy peasy. So that's why I have the 7-day free trial. So the link is in the description. All right, guys, that'll be it for me. Deuce.